Good morning. Welcome to AIM. Today is Friday, November 29. Today we will be presented with information around the project titled Project to Improve Learning and Nutrition Outcomes, or Project ILNO, among daycare children in Burgos, Siargao.
I think I must have gone to all the areas in Siargao, but it is an island that used to be called the Gida, meaning to say geographically isolated and disadvantaged area, but they're getting out of it. So if we're able to develop an area like this, mapanalo ang AIM Alumni Association, di ba? So hindi na siya magiging ahon Siargao, magiging ahon na tayong lahat dito sa Pilipinas.
Let's welcome the delegation of Mayor Angie Arsena.
I am so happy that Mayor is just like also a mother mayor in Burgos. Here she is. Thank you very much, Mayor.
Our town is so blessed to receive tremendous support through your donations that allowed us to rise from devastation of Odette and uplifted the lives of our constituents. It is in this juncture that I would like again to personally thank you in behalf of all the people of the municipality of Burgos. Again, maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga tulong ninyo.
I pray that as we turn the page every day, we will also be involved in the history of mga tao sa laylayan. And sana, hindi natin pa rin makalimutan ang Burgos. Salamat, Karadyaw.
In behalf of our Mayor Angie Arsena, sa lahat ng taga-Burgos, maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng tulong ninyo. Salamat po.
In any change effort, paying attention to transition is very important. And how do we sustain this new beginning? We have to take care of each other, that there's no falling back. We are educators because we love children. No other reason. We have to love this generation that is the future of the Philippines.
We are elated that you express continuity of the program we have started. As we all believe, success of any project is sustainability.